Hey guys, welcome back. So today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be showing you my closet and getting rid of some items. The reason for that is because, well, you guys will see in a future video. So stay tuned. I'm going to bring you right to my closet right now, and I'll see you guys in a second. Welcome to my humble abode of my closet. So this is everything that I have so far. Some of the outfits are already together, if you guys can't tell. This is what I have so far in my closet, and then along with that, I also have some clothes in these drawers that I need to get rid of or find out what I want to do with them. So I'm just going to start with the drawers and get everything out and show you what I'm going to get rid of. See you guys in a second. So I'm right by my bed. Gotta get rid of that. Okay. So the clothes that I'm about to show you, I kind of never wore, or only wore one time, and they've just been sitting around. So I'm gonna get rid of some of this stuff, give it to Goodwill. First thing is this top. I'm pretty sure that I got this from either Foreman Mills or Walmart or something like. It's gray. It's cute, but not my style anymore. So that's going away. This next top that I got is also from the same spot that I got the other shirt from. It's got flowers and stuff on it. Again, never wore it. This can go to Boscov's. It's not a part of my style. Now this shirt I've been on and off about for the longest time. It's a V-neck. And it's got lace in the back. It's 3/4 sleeves as compared to the other two, which were long sleeves. I think I'm gonna keep this for now. We'll see about in the future. This next shirt I got while I was in Salem. It's from the Salem Fire Department. I don't really wear it. I also have another one, so I'm gonna give that to Goodwill. This next shirt, again, I've been on and off about it. It's 3/4 sleeves. Again, I can't remember where I got this from. It might have been Boscov's, actually, that I got all this stuff from, but I've had it for forever. I'm going to keep it for right now. Deal with that later. Same thing with this shirt. I kind of like it. 3/4 sleeves again. I think I'm going to keep it. It is kind of my style. It's going with the style that I'm currently going back to, which is my alternative style. This shirt is full sleeve, same place. It's green, even though it looks kind of gray because of the lighting. Green and gray. I don't really wear clothes like this. I got this when I was trying to be normal. Clearly didn't work. Now this I used to wear all the damn time in the winter. It is very thick. As you can see, it's checkerboard. That's why I liked it. It's a guy's sweatshirt. This was a hand-me-down from my family. I'm going to start putting this stuff in piles on the floor. This next shirt I really kind of like. It is full sleeve. Same place as the other shirts that I showed you, except for the Salem one and the hand-me-down. I'm going to keep it for now. It's like a dark green, so we'll keep that. Next shirt I have is green, 3/4 sleeves. I got it with the intentions of wearing it, never wore it, so time to get rid of it. Next thing I have is these Nike men's shorts. I have never worn them. They were a hand-me-down. They're going away. This gray top, same as the green one. I kind of like it, so I'm going to keep it for now. But I'm probably eventually going to give it away because I don't see myself wearing it right now. Maybe in the future. Let's move on. This next one I'm definitely keeping. It is a summer top. I wear this all the time. It fits my fashion. It's got a keyhole back, and it is a full shirt. Halter neck, which means it comes up to right here, especially on me, so I'm going to keep that. This next one, it's big on me now because I've lost a lot of weight. I also have only worn this like once or twice. Not my style. This is going away. And I have this top. Same thing. It does have a zipper, so does the other one, and buttons, which are just there for design. As you can see, they don't really have any purpose, so this giving away. I don't want it. I'm not going to wear it, so there's that. This shirt I got from Walmart. I love it to death, but it's big on me. I like flowy things, but I don't like things that are going to be too big on me. Plus, I can always get another one if I really want it. This was like $3 or $4 at Walmart. This is going away. Next thing I have is this shirt. I think I'm gonna keep it. Crisscross back. I think I got this from Bosco's. Pinstripe. It is a little bit big on me, but we'll see how I feel about it come summertime, which will be only in a few short months. So I'll keep with it. Next top. This was the top that I showed you guys in my Romley haul. It's supposed to cross over like that. It's too big on me. It's going to continue to be too big on me. So as much as I want my $3 back, I'm not worried about it. This next top, I think I'm going to keep. It is a crop top, another crop top. It ties in the front. I think it's going to be cute. So I'm going to keep it, also from Romley as well. This next top, I love it to death. I think I'm going to keep it. I might do something with it. We'll see. But this is what it looks like. Stitch Ohana. Got this also from Walmart as well. Next top I have is this one. I've had this one for years. I still love it. I'm definitely going to keep it, but it was in the drawer, so I had to include it. I got this from Hot Topic. It is the muscle tank. You guys can't really see, but there is a slit down here. It's longer and it comes down to that are on me. Like I said, that's a definite keep. That's no joke. This next top I love to death, but I only wore it again like once or twice. So I'm gonna see if my brother wants it. It's an Incredibles top. It is like basketball shorts material. I don't need it. I'll check with my brother, see if he wants it. And yeah, I think that's it for that drawer. The others are uniform shirts, which I think I'm just gonna throw away. I don't wear them. I don't work for the organizations. I don't support the organizations. So yeah. And then this one, I don't know what this was doing in there, but it's just a black plain tank top. That's gotta be washed. Oh, last thing. Definitely keeping this. I can wear this when I start wearing my crop tops in the winter/fall time. Got this from Hot Topic as well, so again, that's gonna be a keep. And this top I got from Romley. It's a crop top. It's got a little slit up here. Keeping this. And that's it for that. I'm gonna go start pulling stuff out of my closet, and I'll show you guys what I'm not keeping. So really quick, before we go over what else is in my closet, I went to my dress and hoodie closet, and I found these dresses and this one hoodie that I'm never going to wear again. I've had this for like forever. I wore it to my 8th grade prom. Don't want it. I like it. I like the aesthetic, but it's not me anymore. Then I have this Paramore hoodie that I've had since like 7th grade. It's got Paramore across the butt and Beehive. If I want something Paramore, I can always get it. I haven't worn this in God knows how long. And lastly, we have this last dress. I think I wore this to 8th grade. Something for 8th grade. I'm not gonna wear it again. I already know. I've just been keeping it in my closet for God knows what reason. So, yeah, there's that. So at this point in time, there's only a couple items from my closet that I'm not keeping. Number one is these capris. I like them. I only again wore them like one time. Same thing with these. These also don't fit me the way I want them to. They're also capris. I know I got these from Boscov's. Don't like them. So, into the bag they go. Next up we have this top. I got this from Old Navy. Again, with the intentions of wearing it. I have not worn it at all, and I've had it for 3 years now. God, that's embarrassing. And last but not least, I believe I also got this off the rack at Old Navy. It's corduroy suspender dress. Thought I was gonna wear it, thought I'd like it. Kinda don't like how the material feels. And again, never worn it. So that is the last thing for this essentially Goodwill giveaway, whatnot. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos to come, especially the exciting part of the next part of this video. Bye guys, I'll see you soon.